Today we are going to print a pattern. This is very different pattern. You might not be seeing this. 1 2 1 3 2 1 4 3 2 1 5 4 3 2 1. What is the speciality of this pattern? It is not starting from left hand side. It is starting from right hand side, and it is leaving first time 1 2 3 4 spaces. In second line it is leaving 1 2 3 spaces, and in third line 2 spaces, and in fourth line 1 space, and there is 2 space in fifth line. So this is the speciality of this pattern. So we'll go to the program how we will write the pattern. So as usual, you will start with public class ABC, your class, and your method public void main. And one more thing, usually you use two loops for a pattern program. One is for number of iteration and another one is for printing the pattern. Here one more content is there. First of all, the pattern is starting at the right hand side by leaving spaces. So you need three loops. First loop is for number of iteration, second loop is for you giving space, and third loop is for printing the statement. So we'll begin the first loop as usual. For int I will declare I. That is, we have to start from first iteration. We have to go to till 5 iterations. Iteration means number of steps. Plus I. And the second loop is used for giving space. K is equal to 5. K greater than I minus k. Since k is starting with 5 and it is minus, the symbol should be greater than. And here I am opening this. Here instead of println I am giving print. Why? Because the space has to be printed on the same line, not on the different line. Okay, so print space and the curly braces close, and next loop is for printing your j value. J is equal to I, j greater than or equal to 1 minus j. Why j is equal to I and j greater than or equal to 1? Because it is not starting with 1. This time it is 1, second it is 2 1, 3 2 1, and it is ending at 1. That is why the condition should be 1, ending value. And it is decrementing. See, 1 2 1, 3 2 1, 4 3 2 1, 5 4 3 2 1. So it is decrementing. Now again, as in pattern, the same condition. Inner loop will have print j, and outer loop will have println. Okay, and the loop for loop is closed, method is closed, class is closed. Now moving to the explanation of this program. So we'll explain this program. First, class ABC main I is equal to 1. Yes, 1 less than or equal to 5. Condition is true. It will come inside. So your I is 1. Okay, and k is 5. K is equal to 5. 5 greater than 1. Condition true. So it has to leave space. So it will leave a space. Okay. Again it is a print, so the cursor will remain on the same line. Again k will be decremented to 4. 4 greater than 1, true. So it will again leave a space. Then k will be decremented to 3. 3 greater than 1, true. Again it will leave a space. And again k will be decremented to 2. 2 greater than 1. Again it will leave a space, true. Again k will be decremented to 1. 1 greater than 1, false. So it will come out of this loop and it will start with j is equal to I. So now j is I. I's value is 1, so j is 1. 1 greater than or equal to 1, condition true. So it will come inside, it will print j, that is print 1, and j is decremented to 0. 0 greater than or equal to 1, condition false. Come out of this loop, there is a println. So the cursor will come to the next line. Again I will be incremented to 2. 2 less than or equal to 5, the condition true. K again starts with 5, but here the condition is 2. 5 greater than 2, true. So it will leave a space, and k will be decremented to 4. 4 greater than 2, again true, it will leave a space. Again k decremented to 3, 3 greater than 2, again leave a space, and k is decremented to 2 and 2 greater than 2, false. Come out of this loop and j is equal to I is now 2, so j is also 2. So how many times it will print? 2, 1. So here it will print 2 and 1. When j becomes 0, 0 is greater than or equal to 2, false. Come out of the loop. 0 is greater than or equal to 1, false. So come out of the loop. Again it will start from here with I is equal to 3. So k will again starts with 5 greater than 3. Leave a space. 4 greater than 3, space. 3 greater than 3, false. Come out of this loop. J is equal to I, that is j is equal to 3. How many times this will work? 3, 2, 1. It will work for 3 times. 3, 2, 1. After that, condition become false. Come out of the loop. There is a println. Again cursor will comes to this space, and I incremented to 4. 4 greater than or equal to less than or equal to 5. Condition true. Again k is equal to 5. How many times it will work? 2 times. 5 greater than, it will work for 1 time. 5 greater than 4. So it will leave a space here. Next, 4 greater than 4, false. Come out of this loop. There is a loop again. J is equal to 4. It will work till 4, 3, 2, 1. So that is, it will print 4, 3, 2, 1. After that, condition become false. Come after the loop. There is a println. Now moving to very important thing. I becomes 5. 5 less than or equal to 5. True. Come inside. K is equal to 5. 5. I is 5 greater than 5. False. It will not print a space. Instead of this, it will come here. J becomes I, that is j becomes 5. It will print till 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So it will print 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And when j becomes 0, 0 greater than or equal to 1, false. Come out of the loop. There is a cursor, println. Next line, come here. I becomes 6. 6 less than or equal to 5, false. Come out of the loop. See, here there is no space. I have not put space. See, we got the output. This is the way to write a pattern, print a pattern for 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Thank you.